I died! I died! Ah! No, I'm dying! I have to go over here. You're gonna die there, Cal. You're stuck on the seat. We have to sit over here to not safe them. No!
220 gold for you. That's about mine.
Time to buy wheels.
I'm not alive. I'm still alive, Heimer.
I have to get a driver's seat muna.
I'm near the snow biome. Now I am at the snow biome. Oh, this is easy. No! I'm just a floating seat. No! 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 No!
I found a
I died.
flying boat.
I got 302 gold. Let's go. Nearly enough. I need 800.
For what? Okay, you also made yourself another. What is this circular thing?
Egg. Put the thing here at the back.
Wait, did you use the chainsaw for this?
Not really.
Okay, good. Because if you use the chainsaw, once it gets hit, the one, that means the whole thing that got chainsawed will be destroyed.
I think some got chainsawed.
Okay.
Let's launch.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm saving you. Look at that one behind us.
Yeah. Maybe.
What the heck? It's a freaking box. Do you think